Yeah, good morning, students. Welcome back to JCE Connect classes on data structure and application 18CS32. So, in today's class, we'll be discussing about strings, basic operation on the strings. Okay, so here we'll be starting with the strings. So, basically, you are already aware of the strings, which is nothing but collection of characters. It is also called, people used to call it as a character array, but it is little bit differ with the character array. So character strings, actually it is a sequence of characters, is often referred to as a character string or character array. Okay, a string is stored in an array of type char ending with the null character backslash of zero. This term is very important. This term is very important. It should be ending with backslash of zero. If it is not going to end with backslash of zero, what happens? What is the difference between character array and single array or single character? We'll be discussing these things in the coming class. Okay, let us assume I have this example. Okay, hello. Now this h is termed as the beginning of the string, while to indicate what is the end of the string or end of this character, we'll be using backslash of zero. So here, this is a beginning of the string, while backslash of zero is going to indicate that it is a end of the string. Okay, it is also called as a end of string character. Now, what happens? Character strings. It is a string containing a single character takes up to 2 bytes of storage. A string containing a single character takes up to 2 bytes of storage. Now, people will say how it is, because a character is going to take only a byte of memory, right? That is the difference between a single character and a string character. Okay, so let me take you to one example. See here. Here, the if I consider capital H is one of my character. Okay, if I want to store in like this fashion, capital H, capital H with double quotation. This double quotation plays a very important role. Anyways, I'll be explaining that. This verses will be discussing with the single character. Okay. So what happens here? Please try to understand. If I want to consider this, how it is stored in the memory. Okay, so this is a single character which is going to store in 1 byte, and this will be added like this. This is going to be added as we are already seen in a string. Backslash of zero will be appended at the end, stating as an end of the character, end of the string, right? So now, as this is been added, this is been added, which is going to take one more byte of memory. Okay, so characters single h 1 byte. This is 2 bytes like this, and 1 byte which will be required to represent the empty string. I hope this is clear for you people. If it is a single character represented with like this, represented with this single quote over here. Okay, so in that case, it would have taken only 1 byte of data, but as we are representing double quotation, it is a string which is going to consider 2 bytes of data. Single quotation, single byte, double quotation, double bytes. Okay, you can understand in this way also. Okay, let me take you to the another. Now, see guys, this is end of string character which we are considering as hello. So here, the hello input is given like this, HELLO, and double quotation. Okay, in this case, it is represented as single quotation. Everything is a single quotation. Say HE, then it is a character array L and O. So we know in the array, simple array, there is no need of any addition of backslash of zero in the array. Okay, So if it is say consider array a of maybe any size, okay, equal to, now this is like this is called as a array of characters, while this is a string. This is a string. In the string, backslash of 0 is been added as the end of the string character. Here an array, no end of the string, right? I hope you people are understanding the string and array of character. See class, I'll take one basic example where you will understand one very important concept. Let's think I'm saying character string of 11. Okay. Now I'm giving an example saying that okay, it is equal to good day. Good day. Okay, this is my string in the 11. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So total 11 bytes of data. Now out of this, if you see the end, the length of this is 4 plus 3 plus 1. So 4 plus 4, 8 bytes of data, and 1 will be using for backslash of 0. So 9 bytes. These remaining 2 bytes which are there in the memory, now what it can be, it can be a garbage. So part of the array but not part of the string. It is a part of the array. This byte is part of the array but it is not part of the string. Our string is only good day till backslash of 0. Yeah, till backslash of 0. This we will be considering as a garbage values if you're going to access them, just like same character string of 5 6. Okay, I'll name in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this is 9 and this is 10. Okay, if I access character at character string of 5, obviously I'll be accessing capital D. If I say character string of 2, I'll be accessing small o. In the same fashion, if I say character string of 9 or 10, I'll be getting some values, but it is not the value related with your string because it is not a part of the string, right? It will give some garbage value. It will give some garbage value. I hope this has been clear. Let me take you to another example. A string constant is a sequence of character enclosed in a double quotes. Enclosed in a double quotes. For example, the character string character s1 of 2, which is equals to, okay, a, actually it takes 2 bytes of storage, which we have already understood, okay, in the previous explanation we have seen. Okay, so I have explained here also. So this is 1 byte of memory and this is another byte of memory, 2 bytes of memory. On the other hand, the character in a single quotes, if I represent the same thing like this, it is going to take only 1 byte of memory, right? So this is how we have discussed about the character versus string. Single quote, a character. Double quote means a string enclosed inside the double quotation. It is a string. Okay, and a null string is also represented like this. I hope you people are getting it. Okay, so I'll tell you one example of say using cout and cin, how they are going to store in the memory and how you are going to access them back. That is very important. Okay, let us assume I have defined a character array or string which with the size is 12, and I'm going to put hello world inside this. Okay, so I'm going to simply see out you have gone through, if C++ you will understand. Okay, so message one, what was that? Hello world. So this is output. This is how the memory storage will happen. Hello world will be stored with the backslash of 0. Okay, now if I'm going to read the message, say instead of this I'll be just reading this hello. So what happens after the hello, this memory here, you can see there is no memory left. But if you see this will, there will be memory left this much. So this can be anything, that can be anything, but if you consider only C out of message 2, only till backslash of 0, first backslash of 0 I will say, it will read the value. Even though there is a possibility that there will be a backslash of 0, it will not read this backslash of 0, because backslash of 0 is going to indicate it is the end of the string. Yeah, hope this much is clear. We'll be seeing certain operations on the string. Okay, some of them you have already learned in C programming previous semester. Here we'll be seeing about say get character also you have learned. It returns the nth character in the string, where put char, get and put char, where we will be having three parameters: the string itself, the n, and the string c. So sets the nth character into the in the string to c. Length of str returns the number of characters in the string. POS, that is position, str1 comma str2, returns the position of the first occurrence of string 2 found in str1, or 0 if no match. This is this we will be using in a data structure. Okay, the concat returns a new string consisting of character in str1 followed by str1 followed by str2. If I have changed this position, say str1 and str2, if I replace, then it will change the str2 followed the str1, like that. Now this is also another important one which we will be using for our pattern matching. Substring str1 I comma m, it returns a substring of length m, starting at position I in a string str. Okay, okay, yeah, very good. Delete, we will be deleting character from string. If you want to delete certain part of the string, you can delete it. Insert also, so you require two strings str1 str2, and for which position. So changes str1 into a new string with str2, insert it in position I. And the compare we already used. It returns an integer indicating str1 greater than str2. Okay, so these are the basic operation in which we will be using mostly this position and substring in the coming days. Okay, to form the subs, to get the substring to form, to check the pattern matching one program we will be getting in a laboratory sessions, as well as in the examination it used to ask for 8 to 10 marks. So all those things we'll be seeing. And basically we'll be seeing the substring in the string operation, how it happens. Actually substring, for that we require three things, that is the name of the string or itself, then position of a first character, and the length of the substring, or the position of the last character of substring. Yeah. Okay. So if I'll tell you the example, if I have the substring, if I have a string, say maybe chain college. Okay, chain and college. uh, Out of this, if I required college as my substring, so college as my substring, so this will be used like this. Okay, in this part I will be knowing this is my college. So in this is my str1, let us assume this is my str1. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, this is the sixth position I'll be taking to last position I required. So str1 I'll put here str1 initial, that is sixth position, end is 8 9 10, 6th 7 8 9 10 11 12, maybe to the 12. Okay, like this. So it will give me this as my college as my substring as an output. Okay, in the same fashion we'll be seeing some other operations also. So as of now I'm stopping here only. Okay, so in the next class we will be discussing, we will be discussing the other operations that can be performed on the string. Okay class, So for today, we have seen only one operation, which are very important to get the pattern matching concept. Okay, so in the next class, we'll be discussing about the pattern matching program and the required algorithms also. Okay, class. So that's for the day. Thank you, class.